to that poor baby.
I like her little feet. Oh,
No, stay over here. I'm just gonna go over here.
Put the head on the baby.
Corner.
Uma.
Zero for me.
Her pants are just a little too big.
Hug and we're done.
Is that a hedgehog? Is it? Oh, that's it. It's a hedgehog.
Awesome. That's a rat.
she knows.
Hedgehog. We were thinking vole or a mole.
You were.
I
Well,
was.
Ovi and I watched this morning. We watched Wonder Pets, and the Wonder Pets saved the little baby hedgehog.
So this is hedgehog.
Is he a Wonder Pet?
Wanda!
Olivier, hedgehog, you think?
What's that? A dog food?
Don't know.
It's zero.
Okay.
Cereal.
Oh, cereal.